I wanted to show you my latest ornament. It's a blue tree. I announced in a recent short that I'll be doing 100 blue ornaments this year. My husband asked if we could do a blue tree next year, blue and white with silver. He prefers silver, but I'm going to do some with gold accents. And so I started with a tree that I already finished, and I think I posted a short on it here. And then this is the other one I did. And I wanted to show you the stacked sequins because I haven't done a video on that in a long time. So my new subscribers might not be familiar with it. And when I do the stacked sequins, they're a lot more work because each stack, you can see there's one there, takes me a few minutes to figure out what I'm going to do to fit it in the spot and do everything I need to do to make it look the way I want it to look. Now, I did a silver edging using the cheapy ones from Hobby Lobby. These cost, I think, $4.99 for a large tube. And I wanted to see how they would do, and they did a pretty good job. Now, I think the glass ones aren't always as perfect as the metallic, but I'm still pretty happy with how it came out. And this is the second one. Now, I'm not going to do any more trees for a while, but every week I'm going to be doing 2 videos showing you my blue sequins. Now, the way I do the stack is I just have this platter of, now I have one for Christmas colors too, but I also have one for blue. And I think I have one for blue, white, and yellow as well, but it's a little tiny one. And I just have all kinds, and then I pick out a few, and I've got a cover over this, but I had a few under here that I pulled out, seed beads and stuff that I could, special ones I wanted to use, that I pulled off this tray. And this is all stuff I picked up off the floor before I vacuumed today. Yes, I literally got down on the floor and picked some of these up because I could see them. I'm sure a lot got vacuumed too. But this is what I keep them in. And I can pour them into a bag and then set them on this tray on my shelf. And it keeps them handy. And I've got, like I said, a tray like this of Christmas colors as well. Now, I'm not going to be doing only blue and white and metallic ornaments. I will be doing regular ones too. I'm trying for 3 a week is my goal. I really want to make a lot of stuff up. I've got all these beautiful pieces, all this gorgeous stuff. I want to start using it and sharing. I'm also on TikTok now as well and having fun over there. A lot of watches over there. If you like short content, I will tell you what my name is over there. Let me pull up my account and show you so you can find it. I noticed that some people like, this is it, it's Steffi's Beads Baubles. And that's got a bunch of different videos on it. And some of them have gone pretty good. I mean, this one has 50,000, where was it? One had 50,000 views on it. Oh, this one here. 53,000 views. So my videos are getting a lot of attention over there, which has been a lot of fun. And it's just fun to share what I'm doing. So anything I do here, I will do doing there too. Although I do a little bit more content there because I can do 10-second videos where here my shorts don't get seen. So I do some shorts here, but I'm doing most of my shorts over on TikTok. But I will still be doing shorts here, and I still will be doing my full content here. But I just wanted to share this with you. I was really pleased with how it came out. And I did a little flower on the back to hide the knot when I did the loop. I like how the metallic came out. I used blue thread, the same color as the back. And then the front, I think I used a light blue on there. But it was just a lot of fun. If you're new to my channel, I've got a whole playlist of Christmas ornaments, and this will go on that playlist. I don't really do tutorials anymore because they were so long people didn't watch them. So I do have a basic tutorial video and a basic edging video so you can find out. But, whoops, sorry. If you look at any of my earlier videos, which would be lower down, you will see that most of those were tutorials where I showed you how I made them. But they were just so much more time consuming, and I noticed that people didn't want to watch that much. So I figured I would just post the actual tutorial of how to do them. And then I did I'm doing a short series on TikTok as well, showing the different steps. I was supposed to finish this on here, but my video got messed up. My tripod moved and I was totally out of frame, which OG members of this channel will remember. I've had a few incidences of that here as well. But it's even harder when you're on a camera and you cannot, a phone, and you cannot see what you're doing. So I messed up. So I got to redo it, but not on this ornament clearly. But anyway, this is about 5 minutes. I think I'm going to let you go because there's really not much more I can say. I made this video and I am doing 100 blue and white ornaments with either gold or silver accents between now and next Christmas, and I'll be doing at least one a week that's not blue and white. And I'm going to be doing all kinds of fun things, you know, everything from a reindeer to a wreath. I want to do some ice skates, which I've never done before, that are blue. I might even do a blue penguin. Just have fun with it. My husband doesn't ask for much, and he just said he'd really love to do a blue and white tree. And I'll be honest with you, our ornaments are all red and green. There is no, I take that back. We have a handful of blue ornaments. So I'm going to have to make them all, or we're going to have to buy new. So I might be doing other kinds of blue ornaments, not just these. And if I do anything else, I'll share it here as well. But it's going to be a fun challenge to see if I can do 2 a week. Last year I was going to do 1 a week to have 50 ornaments done, and that clearly did not happen. But I think this will be fun. It's a challenge, so I'm going to see if I can pull it off. And I've got a whole bucket of cookie cutters I've already pulled. And then the rest of the time it'll be fun to decide on a weekly basis what I want to do. And I'm going to do like an easy one and a harder one, like maybe do a stocking and then do something a little more intricate so that I don't have 2 complicated ones. I will do some stacking like this. Some will not be. They'll just be regular because these take me probably 3 or 4 times as long because of the complication of having to stack, having to see what stacks together, having to fit it into the area. It just takes a lot longer. You just don't pull the sequins and throw them up there. You got to think about it. And sometimes it takes me 2 or 3 tries to get what I like. But they're just so fun and rewarding. I just adore working with them. Now sometimes I don't fill the whole ornament. I'll leave some negative space so you can see the felt. But this one I really wanted to cover completely. So I'll be back soon with another ornament, and I hope you'll check out my TikTok too. If you like short content, you'll like the TikTok because I'm doing 1 to 5 videos a day on there, just trying to, you know, show little things. I showed some Hobby Lobby videos, where to buy supplies and stuff like that. And I'm going to do a few more of those. But it's just so much fun, and I'm just so pleased to have such a wonderful collection of sequins. And I've got to start using them. I've got so many. I'm not buying any more right now. Don't know when I will because I don't need any more. So I'm just having fun. Now that doesn't mean if I'm at an estate sale and see a deal I can't pass up on some vintage sequins, I won't grab them. But that doesn't happen very often. So I'll be back soon, and thank you so much for watching. If you're still here, I appreciate you still watching. Most people only watch for a couple minutes. But I'll be back soon. Thanks so much. Bye.